Like, have you ever thought about having a mixtape that blends music but video game music? You know what I'm saying? With some of the latest hip hop artists now.
That's a good idea.
Yo, do Triple Threat. What's up? Like,
You should host it.
yo, say no more. That's on camera now. You know what I'm saying? Hot 97. It's going down, baby. And don't forget Summer Jam June 20th. It's going down. Let's get it. You know what I mean? Let's go, son. Oh, yeah, let's get it. Come on, see? Let's get it, son. Hey, oh, we got this right here. Let's get it. Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, son. What, let me get the belt real quick. What am I thinking so much? Oh, yeah, now do your thing, son. I'm here, son. I'm hyped. I'm word up. This is crazy. Yeah, come on through, son. It's been a long time, bro, since I've been able to say, hold the belt. You gotta put the belt on you, son. You're a real champion, son. You know what I'm saying? So, next question, man. What are you looking forward to with the launch of Nintendo Switch 2? Because, like, me personally, when I seen that Mario Kart World, I was like, yo, now you can ride on the side. It's crazy. What are your thoughts on Mario Kart World and just the power with what NVIDIA is doing with Nintendo Switch 2 in your opinion?
So in my opinion, I feel like, first of all, I played it today.
Oh, you did play it?
Yeah, I did play it.
Wait, hold on. How? Like, because
Two things. That's, and they have it here. Okay,
Oh,
so let's start with that one. They have it here. Let's start with that one. But I actually played it in, don't worry about it. I actually played it in, at the Nintendo store. So I hopped. I was like, if I'm here, let me go check it out. Let's see what's up with that. So I played it, and it looks so crisp. It looks so good. And I think that's what people wanted from Nintendo, to step up graphically. So once you see that, you're like, it's okay. One of the things that I feel that's going in the industry right now, it has to do a lot with where we're at graphically. It's kind of hard to perceive big changes because they're in the details.
It looks so amazing already.
And so that's the thing. So when you're looking at, okay, so what are we doing? We just need good performance. We really need to step up in performance. More people to be able to play together at the same time and have the performance and be on par with it. So that's what I felt that they were doing, because the thing is you can play 21 people at the same time, right?
Yeah, yo,
Okay, so I was over there, they had 2 tents and they had the whole thing. So when it was your turn to play, you were actually playing against all of them at the same time. So I just had that experience and I was like, this is cool. O sea, this is extremely cool. So I see that and upcoming titles, you know, at the next Splatoon. You know what I'm saying? So at the next Splatoon, it's gonna be like, oh my god, it's gonna run extremely smoothly in this console. And so I'm hyped for it, to be honest. I'm hyped to see that people, even though they went up in price, and a lot of us, including myself, I said like, man, this is
tough. I go for it,
yeah. I was like, this might affect itself. Wow, I got here at 2 p.m. For this store, like, it was great. I was like, dude, there's so much. All like this. Oh my god, that's extremely cool. So I'm like, if this is being replicated everywhere else, there's big hype for this. And that's good.
Bro, I'm here. I ain't playing, sir. This joint is crazy. I want the family out. This is what I want. So I'm telling y'all right now, you know what I'm saying? Make sure, let them know where they can find you at, so they can follow you, bro. Let them know where they can find you.
So my stuff is in Spanish. So si alguno de ustedes me está viendo y sabe español, me consiguen Yo Soy Un Gamer. Alright, so that's where you get me.
And that's where AI comes in. That's where AI comes in, so we can change that. You know what I'm saying?
You know what? Can you talk about that for a second? Yeah. Have you seen the VO thing?
Oh, the VO, the way they doing the videos there or something like that? Great beat streaming.
You saw the Will Smith.
Yeah, that was crazy.
How long ago was that?
I know. Yeah, but you see the way it looks now. So I'm gonna tell you right now, they did a Will Smith AI joint. That joint looked horrible way back then.
But at that time it was impressive.
It was impressive that it could be done, but it was right now. Yo, go like this. I'm gonna say it like this. There's a reason why Tyler Perry
decided not to spend $800 million on a studio simply because of the difference that AI makes up in terms of saving money and still getting production done.
That's right.
$800 million not spent.
That's real. That's real.
Put like this, the Switch 2, Nintendo, that DLSS, that's even in Nintendo, go. See, that's that energy I'm talking about right there. Who won?
You got him. Who won?
Who won? Oh, you won? Yeah. Let's go. Oh, 86. Metroid all day. Let's go.
And then there's this thing. The same thing.
Would you like to fuck with one? Medium or hard? Okay, let's see.
Even if you don't think you did.